Hello, today you're gonna learn how to download and install Java JDK on Windows 10. Let's waste no time, let's get straight into it. Very easy step. First thing you want to do is open up your browser, your internet browser. Firefox, Internet Explorer, Chrome, anyone you got, open it up and go to Google, search Java JDK and wait on it to pop up the result. Yeah, Java JDK. You want to go to Oracle Java SE JDK JRE. The top results might be different, but just look for this. The download page. Click JDK download. You're gonna load up a lot of information. You can read it if you want. And basically just saying about the version. You want to scroll down, and here you got Linux and JDK, Linux, Mac OS, Windows. This is what you need. Windows version. Windows or Windows compressed. You want to go with Windows installer. Click on the download link over here. You're gonna pop up about the terms and condition. You can read it if you want, but this you can click the tick box right here to accept, and it will bright up green. Then you click on download JDK. You're gonna pop up a window talking about saying information about it. Would you like to save? Just click save file and it will start to download. Okay, now yeah, it might take some time depending on your download speed, whether it's fast or slow. You know, download speed might be slow or fast, so just be patient. Yes, and I almost finished downloading, so yeah. um yeah, pretty easy step. It's not hard to download this, very easy. And this is what I'm showing you how to do it. Very easy step, not hard, not complicated. It's very easy. Download it. It's gonna finish right now. Now just click on it right here. Just click on the Java, click the download option, click on it. You're gonna pop up a window asking you, would you like to run this program? Just click yes. Is yes or no? Just click yes. Okay, you want to click yes. Then it's gonna pop up the Windows installer. It's preparing to install. Just have patience. Here it is, Java JDK. Now just click next. Now this screen is saying that basically where you wanna choose to install Java JDK. The default is in program files. I recommend you keep it like that, so don't change anything. If you want, you can change it if you want, but I'm gonna stay with program file, and I'm gonna go with next to the next screen. And there you go. That's basically it. That's how you install Java JDK on Windows 10. Very easy, very easy. Nothing hard. Yeah, I'm just waiting on it to. You can close the browser. If your computer is slow, that would be best to just close the browser. Speed up the process. Yeah, it's almost finished. It doesn't take long. And there you go. Java JDK installed on the Windows 10. Yeah, so you can just click close and just start running your program that required Java JDK. It's now installed on your computer, successfully installed. Now close, run your program, your development applications, and just yeah. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like this video. Thanks.